Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have learned that how we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed number and a mixed number into an improper fraction. So now students, in this video we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, so first of all we are going to concern with the addition and then afterwards we are going to subtract. Now students, here there are two methods to add the numbers, mixed numbers. So the first method is here, this one is your first method. Okay, so first of all we are going to take first method. Okay, so students, here the example is given to you, that is 5 whole number 1 upon 2, then plus 2 whole number 3 upon 4. You will have to add these numbers, mixed numbers. So first of all, see over here that denominators are different, so these are unlike fractions, so we will have to convert them into a like fraction. So we will see step by step how we can convert. So students, first of all, the first step is, first of all you will have to write down the question as it is. Here the question is written as it is. Then plus you will have to split the number, means you will have to take out whole number and as well as fraction. So you will have to gather whole number at one place and fraction at another place. So let's split the number. So 5 whole number plus 2 whole number. Then again 1 upon 2 fractional part, 3 upon 4 fractional part. So 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. Now students, here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then again here these are unlike fractions, so you will have to convert 2 into 4. So we will multiply 1 upon 2 by 2. So we will get 4. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So here 7 as it is, 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 as it is. So here students, 7, again we write 7 as it is, plus we can add numerator 2 plus 3 upon 4. So 2 plus 3 upon 4. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 upon 4. So here students, one more thing is there. Here you can understand it as we like write 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So students, we can write 5 upon 4 like this. 4 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 means 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 upon 4. So we can split the number. So we know that 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So we can write 1 as a whole number over here. This one we can write it as whole 1 plus 1 upon 4, and then we can also add this here. So 7 becomes 8. 7 plus 1, 1 upon 4, like this. So students, I hope you will understand better, and if you have any problem then ask me on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so here let's we are going to solve first of all by first method and then we will see the next method. So let's see the examples how we can add the numbers. Here is the example. Now students, what is the first step? First step is you will have to differentiate or split the number. You will have to take whole number at one side and fraction at another side. So here 6 plus 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now students, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 upon 3. We can also write like this. Now is equal to 8 whole number as it is plus 2 upon 3. Now here students, we can remove the sign of addition. So our answer is 8 whole number 2 upon 3. So I hope you will understand. Now we will take the next example, this one. Okay, here student, you will have to convert this 4 into 2, or you maybe convert 2 into 4 also. So in case of converting 4 into 2, we will have to do division, and 2 into 4 we will have to do multiplication. So multiplication is better and easy, so that's why we prefer multiplication. So let's solve this by first method only, because we are going to take first method first and then second method afterwards. So now the number is, first step is write down whole number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Students, write down in your book so you are able to write or you are able to solve them. Okay, so 1 upon 2. So now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2, we will have to convert 1 upon 2 here, 4. So 1 upon 4 as it is, plus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. So here we will get 4 as it is, 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. So is equal to 4 as it is, here you will have to give the sign of addition. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 upon 4, because like fractions. So now add the numbers, where here we are going to add the numbers. Now let me erase this. So students, here, so how we can write the answer? 4 whole number plus 3 upon 4. Now we can write the answer 4 3 upon 4. This is your answer. So here like this we will have to add the mixed numbers. I hope you will got it. So now the second method. This is your first method, then how we can add the numbers, and the second method is also there, how we can add the mixed numbers. So we are going to solve with the help of second number. So first of all we will erase all this and we are going to take these examples. Okay, and if you want to take another examples, so take out your book and open your book and take other examples from there. Now this one, second method. So now here you can see that 5 whole number as it is 5. Okay, so you'll have to multiply that number by denominator, means here denominator is 2, so you will have to multiply this number by 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Here second term, that is here denominator is 4, so we will have to multiply the whole number by 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now simply add and multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 2. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 4. Now here students, denominator are different, so you will have to take 4. So you will have to multiply this by 2. So 11 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. So 11 upon 4 as it is. Now 11 2s are 22, 2 2s are 4. Now students, here 11 upon 4 as it is. Now add 22 plus 11 is equal to 33 and 4 as it is. So here your answer is 33 upon 4. So write down the number like this, 8 whole number 1 upon 4, means the whole number is divided by 4, so you will get the answer. We have seen this type of conversion in the first video of this chapter. Okay, this is your improper fraction, this one is improper fraction and this one is mixed number. So we have seen all these terms. Now let's solve the example by second method. Okay, so first of all, the first step is take the first term, this one, 6 whole number multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3, then plus second term, this one, 2 as it is multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Now multiply. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 19 upon 3 plus 6 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3. Now add is equal to 19 plus 7 upon 3. 26. 26 upon 3. So your answer is 26 upon 3. We can also write the answer like this. See here. So I hope you will got it. Now how we can convert this an improper fraction into a mixed number. So here you know that how we can divide 26 by 3. So here we can divide 26 by 3. So read the table of 3. Okay, up to 26. So there is no 26, there is 27 in the table of 3. So we will take 24. So 3 8s are 24. To remember. Now arrange the numbers. How we can arrange the numbers? So like this we can arrange the numbers. Take first of all question as a whole number. Then again remainder as a numerator and divisor as a denominator. So here answer is 8 whole number 2 upon 3. Now students, second example. So we are going to solve second example with the help of second method. So let's solve it. So first of all give the sign of equality, equal sign, then again 1 whole number multiplied by 4 means here denominator is 4, then plus 1, again plus 3 whole number second term, here 2 denominator multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, here divided by 4. Now students, let's multiply. 1 4s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so here we can write directly 1 multiplied by 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 4 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2. Now students, here in this example these are unlike fractions and we will have to convert these fractions into like fractions. So multiply this term by 2. So we will get the answer. So now first of all we are going to erase this and we are going to solve here. So 5 upon 4 as it is, 5 upon 4 plus 7 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 5 upon 4 as it is, 5 upon 4 as it is, plus 7 2s are 14 upon 2 2s are 4. Now 5 plus 14 is equal to 19, 19 upon 4. So here this is your answer. Now we can also convert this answer into a mixed number. So how we can convert? So divide 19 by 4. 4 4s are 16. So our remainder is 3. Now arrange the numbers. Question 4 as a whole number, then remainder as a numerator and divisor as a denominator. So our answer is 4 whole number 3 upon 4. So here these two examples are your homework. So solve homework in your notebook. Okay. So in the next video we are going to take another topic, that is subtraction. So till then take care of yourself and thank you.